What if Emperor Nero had deliberately started the Great Fire of Rome in 64 CE to clear land for his Golden House? Instead of the accidental blaze that history records, imagine Nero ordering his guards to torch entire neighborhoods. Romans would have witnessed their emperor burning their homes for a palace. The revolt would have been immediate and brutal. No 4 more years of rule. Nero's reign would have ended in 64 CE, not 68 CE. The Flavian dynasty would never have risen to power, no Vespasian, no Titus, and most importantly, no Colosseum. Early Christians would have faced different persecution patterns without Flavian influence. Roman architecture would have developed along completely different lines. The empire's eastern campaigns would have been led by different generals with different strategies. Germanic frontier defenses would have collapsed under a weaker leadership. The single act of imperial arson could have triggered the fall of Rome 2 centuries early. European civilization as we know it might never have existed.